Welcome to GearGrinders, your ultimate source for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. Today, we're looking at the 2025 SHERCO SEF 500 Factory, a powerful 4-stroke enduro machine designed for riders who demand performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology. Let's dive into what makes this bike a top contender in the big bore category. Engine and performance. The SEF 500 Factory is powered by a 499.4cc DOHC 4-stroke engine, delivering an impressive mix of torque and top-end power. With electronic fuel injection (EFI), the engine provides smooth throttle response and optimized fuel efficiency. The 6-speed transmission ensures the bike is versatile, whether tackling tight technical trails or high-speed fire roads. Chassis and suspension. Built on a lightweight double cradle steel frame, the SEF 500 Factory offers excellent stability and durability without sacrificing agility. The bike is equipped with KYB closed cartridge forks and a KYB rear shock, both tuned for enduro racing and extreme terrain. These components provide superior damping and control, making even the roughest trails feel manageable. Ergonomics and weight. Despite being a 500cc powerhouse, the SEF 500 Factory remains impressively light and nimble. Its slim bodywork and ergonomic seat design allow for easy movement, while the grippy seat cover enhances rider stability. The centrally located fuel tank improves balance, ensuring precise handling in technical sections. Braking and electronics. SHERCO has equipped the SEF 500 Factory with Brembo hydraulic brakes, offering powerful stopping performance. The bike also features switchable traction control and multiple engine maps, allowing riders to adjust power delivery based on terrain and conditions. A lightweight lithium-ion battery ensures reliable electric starts every time. Final thoughts. The 2025 SHERCO SEF 500 Factory is a serious machine built for riders who want maximum power without compromising agility. With its race-proven suspension, high-performance engine, and advanced electronics, this bike is ready to conquer any challenge. Stay tuned to GearGrinders for more updates on the latest motorcycles. If you love big-bore enduro machines, the SEF 500 Factory is a must-ride.